guys, welcome back to my home. Mi casa es tu casa, and today I have a Dollar Tree video for you guys, and it's a huge one. Well, not huge one, but a huge one. And you want to see what I have, you have to stay watching. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you, you guys know I suffer from back pain, and I have my little back pain little stash of products that I use for relieving those pains. And one of the products that I love to buy at Dollar Tree is it's from the brand Assure, and it's the extra strength coat and hat patch. And this is the patch, I should say, and the pain reliever medicated patch. They have menthol for the hot therapy pain. Contains vitamin E and aloe. And what I like, it brings 2 packages, and at the same time, this is compared to ice hot patch. So if you ever wear the ice hot patches, then you know they're good. So this is the natural menthol, and the good thing about this one, you can reseal it, and that's one thing I like. Another thing that I like, they have 2 type of patch, and this is the regular one. It's like the patch itself is kind of like in a beige color, and it sticks to my body more than the one that says gel patch. So I always tend to get this one. The gel patch works very well too, but again, it doesn't stick to my skin as much and lasts as much how can I explain this? It doesn't stick to my skin long enough as much as this one. So that's why I don't pick the gel one too much. I picked this one instead, and I like to keep it in my purse because when I'm at work and I get pain, I can get my hands on it. Then another thing, oh no, I'm saving these for last because that's the goody. Another thing that I like to pick up out of that same brand is the Nasal Relief Pump Mist Anti-Drip product. This is a 12-hour relief, and I'm gonna say I love this brand because I tried it before. I love it. It's 12 hours, actually works pretty good in that range of the 12 hours. And this is, I only pick it up to have it in my purse, again because of the allergy season. Okay, I picked up 4 essential products. What did I just fill in my hand? 4 essential products, and 4 essential products. One product that is essential, and is the Beauty and Skin powder stick. I always get the powder fresh, and I picked up 4 of those. Keep eating for $1. Another thing that I picked up is this personal care shave gel. I never tried this before, so I'm excited to. This is the moisturizing with vitamin E and aloe vera, and this is the berry burst. I like it, and this is just to shave my legs and my armpits, and that is, it's water based, so I like that, and I love the smell of it, so we're gonna give that a try. Another thing that I needed to pick up was facial products, face wipes, and I like the Bolero brand. I'll try all the scents I think I have, but the only scent that I think I haven't had yet is the watermelon and aloe vera. Aloe, and it looks like this. It brings 30 counts in it, and it smells pretty good. I already tried one, and it smells. I just love the smell. You gotta try this one. It's really good. Then another thing that I pick up is from the brand April Bath and Shower, and it's the eye pads. We all seen these, we all hold these, and we all show these. But I must say, I love them right out of the pack. But I'm gonna give you a tip. If you like me and you get, like the dark circles and the puffy eyes, you need to put these in the refrigerator and then stick them out and then put them on. You will be amazed of the cooling sensation you get and how refreshing your eyes will feel, and you will be like awake. This is really good. Every time I see them, I pick 1 or 2 because I go through them a lot because they do work. But I like to put any of my facial products, like facial cream wash, face mask, whether it's the ones that you put on, like peel off, the wash off ones of the little, ones that come out in a pack that's kind of like a face, and you put on. I like to keep all those products in the refrigerator and then put them on, because you don't know. If you haven't tried it, I'll give you that tip. Try that. Put all your facial creams, product, face wash and stuff in the refrigerator, and then use them. Just saying. So another thing that I picked up, I'm gonna leave this for last, is 4 of these. Picked up 2 of these, 2 in these, and this is the elastic headband. Supposedly 100 in here. I don't know, probably is, but pick 2 of these and then 2 of these. And the reason I picked them up is because I do face mask and I need to coordinate. Sometimes I like coordinating the face mask with the earpiece, and I also like them because they stretch a lot and they're very thin, so they, you know, they don't hurt the ear too much. So plus you can't find elastic nowhere, even online when you try. I have tried that everywhere, Jomar, AC Moore, all these places, and trust me, you can never, it's always out of stock. So another thing that I picked up was the Pure Ice nail polish, and this is 2-piece, purple and gray. I love that. Now what else? I picked up, I think I showed you this. No, I haven't showed you these, I don't think so, but I picked up this. It's a shower mirror, and the reason I picked it up because, again, I'm too tired. I think I already said it, but just in case, I'm very tired of washing my face in the sink and then jumping in the shower, especially when I come from work. So I wanted something that I could put in the shower and wash my face as I'm taking a shower. So yeah, that's that. What else? Okay. I picked up the Sunday paper, and the only reason I picked up the Sunday paper was because I picked up these 3 envelopes that I fell in love with because I need to get back into my couponing. So I am not a expert on couponing, but I do like to save money. And here, Josh, I'm sorry. Here, I got you a drawing thing. All right. So then I have 3 of these, right? And this one I like because you get 2 envelopes for the price of 1. You have the snap envelope, and then you have the Ziploc envelope. So you can put your money here, you know, because it's Ziploc and it will keep your change and all that stuff together. And then you can put all your coupons here. And the reason I picked these ones up, I only got 3 titles. I got 4 items, essentials, product, household essentials, and my feminine essential facial products. So I will put like hairspray, face masks, you know, body wash, all that stuff will go right here. For household will be like the cleaning supplies, Clorox, toilet paper, napkins, so that's really here. And then the other one will be kind of like for food. So anything from the drinking part of the food items all the way to like the edible parts will be right here. So yes, mamita gotta get into that, you know. And last but not least, which I'm so excited, guys, I saw this thing called junk journal. And I fell in love with it because, come on, let's be real. We're in 2020. 2020 has gotten to be a crazy year, but it made me think, what will happen in 5 years from now? You never know if the social media will still exist. You never know if the ability to share with friends and family your pictures and your stuff will still be able, you know, to assist. So I took the idea of the junk journal a little personal, and I was like, I need to do that. Because I remember back in the day when I was growing up, my parents had albums, and you will sit on the table, you will watch the movie, you will have a get together, and the first thing you head over was to the albums, and you will make fun, or you will have a hilarious good time with your family members talking about pictures that you took and the events that you share, and memories that come up that you will not even realize how important they were to you until you pull out that album out. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give this junk journal a try because I put everything on social media just like all of you. But again, are we gonna, in 5 years from now, 10 years from now, are we still gonna have that ability? Is the internet still gonna be here? Who knows? Probably will. But do we gonna have the ability to do it freely? So I took the time and I was like, you know what, I need to start sharing moments now and not worry until later and then suffer, you know. So I decided to come up and try that junk journal stuff where you get to take pictures or take personal items from the events that you went to and then collect them and put it into this junk journal and collect your album. So yeah, Up this little 3D sticker, and this is from the brand Hate Swap, I believe it is. I cannot, oh boy, that's the name brand, you can barely see it, but it says family, and I fell in love with the writing and the way it is. And then I picked up this one that says today, and this is from Project Life. So I heard about this Project Life brand through social media, and this is a 18 piece, a 3x4 cards, and it says ink rose cards, and they have a lot of things in it. This one says the little things, and then it has that little picture right there. Then you have this one, I love this day, and you know, today, and etc. This notes, love, you know, it's a lot of things in there, and you can, you know, have stuff here that you can use and write. So I fell in love with this, so I bought one. And again, all these items are in the planner section item, because they got the, at least in the Dollar Tree where I went, has like this little section with everything related to planners. 2020, they have bookmarks, they have the cardboards where, you know, they have the days and notes and all that stuff in little packages, and like stickers and whatnot. And talking about stickers, I picked up this one. This is a 278 best planner sticker. This is the llama one, and I just like this. Just fell in love, you know, just to put around the pictures that I collect. And when I start creating the junk journal, very nice, very cute. See, can't beat it. And for $1, you get 278. I'm pretty sure they have more, but I only saw this one in top with the planners was. Plus, I was in a rush, and I was like, you know, I gotta just pick this one. Then I picked up 2 of these, and this is from the planner. This is a planner patches. It brings 4 pieces inside each sleeve. This one says create, Sochi, you got this, and hello, and it's so cute, very glittery, very pretty. And then this one says make it count, kindness count, never give up, and good vibes only. Very beautiful. And then I picked up this one, and this one from the same brand, Hate Swap. And this one's make pretty stuff, 12 cards. This one says beautiful right there, but then it has cards that says fabulous, adore, has my heart, thankful, pal, hashtag blast, and together. So this is the back. That's how it looks. Very cute. And I picked up another one of the ones that I showed you earlier. I'm trying it backwards. That I showed you earlier. So I have, where is the other one? 2 of those. Okay. And then I picked up another 3D type of sticker, and this is from the brand Pebbles, and it's 10 of these. And I love how they got the homemade, family. It's kind of like a fall light theme. They have a pie, a spoon, an apple, and the word eat. I thought that was so cute. This one I fell in love with. This is from the Project Life, and this is specialty cards, and it brings 12. And they are in gold glitter, you know, in gold lettering and in rose gold lettering. So this one says love and marriage go together like biscuit and gravy. The other one says I'm just tickle pink to be yours. Beautiful. And then you turn it around, it has these right here. The ones in the back says I think my lucky starts for you. And then the other one says sure as rain clouds come in June, you are my heaven, stars and moon. That's so cute. And then it has we go together like biscuit and jam. This is so cute. And then when you open it in the back, when you flip it in the back, it's you are my sweetie pie. They are so cute. I just thought that was so cute. You know, so if I get pictures together with my husband and I want to share them with something special. Then I have this one. This one's for Kate and Company. Smash, excuse me for a moment. I did say it was going to be a long one. Kate and Company Smash. And this is a gift card holders. It brings 4 pieces for count. But each little package has a couple of them. I don't know how many inside each of the envelopes. But this one said, yep, Here ya go. This one says you are a gem, a real gem. And then the one in the back says go buy something. It's awesome. Go get some bling. This one says don't get all postal on me. And do you see this? So I thought that was so cute. And then the ones in the back says all for you and free money. So I thought that was cute. I keep saying the same word over and over, but who cares? Then I picked up 2 of these, and they come in 2 different colors. And this is a bookmark from the brand Jot. 3 packs in each envelope thing. I mean, you know, stuff. This one says be whole, encourages, enjoy simple pleasure, and love what you do. And this one's in like the red, the pink, and the purple. And those are dark colors. And then you have the pastel color. This one says do small things with great love. You make life beautiful and love begins with you. I thought they were so cute. Again, bookmarks. That's it for that. Now this is the greatest thing I found. Excuse me. Which are you going to follow? You know what? I'm going to finish. Now I'm going to show you. I can't wait to show you. So I picked up 2 of these. They had a yellow and a pink one. And I was so upset because this lady picked the last 2 of those colors. But anyway, I got my hand on the blue one and the purple one. They are so adorable. You see those glitter glasses and the glitter ears? Love it. And then last but not least, and with this, you guys are going to be like, what? $1? This is a hip hip hooray. It's albums made easy, 100 double-sided journaling cards. 100, yeah, that's what it is, because the other words are in Spanish and all that stuff. But yeah, 100 double-sided journaling cards. So this one says a cause for celebration, and you get, you know, you pick your album, then you pick your journaling card, and then you insert the cards and photos in the album. It's cute. This is all the goodies that come in it. And they have this one that says best trip ever, and the same thing. And this is everything. So that is my haul for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Sorry it took so long, but I told you it was a huge one, at least for me. But if you have any of this product, please let me know in the comment box below. And let me know how well they work for you, if you like them, if you don't, if they were a bang for your buck. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. And if you're not part of it, this family right here, I really don't know what you're waiting for, because, you know, if you are all over the place like I am, then you need to be in this channel. Being that said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.